Vibers, a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome again, children. Once again, we are here to discuss another concept from the topic, which is of course the animal husbandry. Today we're going to discuss about the nutritional value of animal product. Yes, we're going to discuss about how much amount of nutrition is required by the animal so that they can give us the healthy products, be it milk, be it eggs, be it honey, be it fishes, poultry farming, XYZ, whatever the products we are obtaining from cattle farming, poultry farming, beekeeping, fisheries. What are the nutritional requirements of them? Yes, so we're going to basically discuss about that today. Before we start, let me introduce you to myself. Once again, I am Anam. I'll be your biology expert for this session, and we're going to discuss all the amazing and interesting topics related to biology, just like we have been discussing, and we are on the verge of completion of your syllabus. And as soon as we complete this syllabus, children, I promise you we're going to have lots of practice session, and we're going to have lots and lots of revision session also, so that you could revise whatever we have already gone through. Yes, we're going to have lots of practice and revision session. Yes, good evening, Anjali. A very good evening to all of you. Yes, let's start our today's session. So children, today is about the nutritional value of animal product. Let's see what we have to discuss today. The chapter which is going on right now is the improvement in food resources. Yes, and the topics to be covered under this particular chapters are related to the improvement in crop yield and of course the animal husbandry. We have already completed the improvement in crop yield, and we are on the completion of the animal husbandry. So children, if you have missed any session, if you couldn't attend any session, the past Embibe classes are always there on your dashboard on the Embibe app. So whenever you have time, you can go through them, and if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can just come to the next live class and ask questions. Yes, by the end of the session or by the initiation of the session, I'm going to explain you if you have any doubt, but for that you have to go through the particular session to know what is being taught in the class. Yes, to know, to have those questions that ma'am, what do you mean by this and what do you mean by that? And of course, children, once again, you know, we also have pre-Embibe assignment and post-Embibe classes assignment for your particular sessions. So I request you to please come after attending those pre-class assignment, and after the session gets over, please do attempt the past Embibe assignment so that you should know whether you have understood the concept or not. Yes, so children, please do that. So we are discussing the topic related to animal husbandry, and next we have the concept जो cover किए जाएंगे basically to be covered in this chapter is the nutritional value of animal products. कि basically सारे animals को कितना nutritional value चाहिए, जो products हैं उसमें कितना nutrition होना चाहिए कि वो इतने edible for consuming रहें. So we are going to discuss about that in today's session, and you know the ritual, children. What we do, we have a quick recap of what we have studied yesterday. Yes, we're going to discuss about that. Just a second. Okay, never mind. So children, whenever you go to the market and basically you buy something, a packet of chips, a packet of biscuit, or maybe a packet of anything. Yes, a bottle of, I would say a bottle of jam, or bottle of bread, butter, XYZ. So children, whenever you go to the market, if you turn at the back of the pack, you always see the nutritional content. Do you see or not? Yes, this much carbohydrate, this much calcium, this much fat, this much saturated fat, this much unsaturated fat. All those things, all those ingredients are completely written at the back of the pack. Yes or no? दूध का डब्बा भी अगर लेने जाओगे तो उस पर भी लिखी होती है उसकी न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट. यस, ये सारा न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा इस पूरे पैक को कंज्यूम करने पर. यस, बटर का डब्बा उस पर भी लिखा होता है, जैम का डब्बा उसके पीछे भी लिखा होता है. सारे जो भी प्रोडक्ट, जो भी फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स तुम लोग खरीदते हो मार्केट से, तो सबके पीछे उसका न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू लिखी होती है. यस और नो? आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स वी आर कंज्यूमिंग, वी ईटिंग, वी आर ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स वी आर नॉट कंज्यूमिंग. योर शैम्पू, योर हेयर ऑयल, yes, your soap, everything has their content written on the back. Yes, so children, this is what we're going to talk about. A packet of a nachos or a coca puff labeled whole grain is not necessarily healthy for you. So children, हम consume करने से पहले देखते तो है नहीं it's going to be healthy or not. We don't do that. We don't basically eat stuff by reading those nutritional values. Of course, We don't actually. Maybe our parents used to basically take care of that. But if it is written somewhere, oh, it is having whole grain, it does not contain any kind of a maida, it does not contain fat, it's a fat free, it is not necessary that if these things, these words are basically written, not necessarily they're going to be healthy for you. No, it is not a seed. Yes, so we're going to basically discuss about the nutritional values only. Yes, let's discuss about that. Next we have what? We have talking about the nutritional value. So what is a nutritional value? Yes, can you see that, children? This is what I was talking about. Saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, everything is written on the back of the particular packet. So what is nutritional values? So the nutritional values, children, is the measure of contents of food and their impact. Yes, the amount of content which is present in a particular food and how much it is healthy for you and how much it is not healthy for you. It consists of carbohydrate, which is a sugar, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Yes, these are the particular nutritional values which is written on the back of a certain pack and which might not be healthy for us and might be healthy for us. So those are the nutritional values, the measure of the content of food and their impact on your body. Yes, it majorly contains the carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and of course the minerals. Yes, so these are the nutritional values of carbohydrate, प्रोटीन, फैट्स एंड विटामिन, हाउ मच अमाउंट, कितना अमाउंट प्रेजेंट है उस पर्टिकुलर फूड में और कितना हमारे लिए हेल्दी है और कितना हमारे लिए हेल्दी नहीं है. ओके, वो हम डिसाइड नहीं कर पाते, हमें नहीं पता कैसा इम्पैक्ट रहेगा, बट सारा कंटेंट एग्जैक्टली लिखा हुआ है. इफ यू हैव दैट मच ऑफ नॉलेज टू बेसिकली कॉम्प्रीहेंड दैट पर्टिकुलर what is all written, generally we don't. Half of the more and half of the population doesn't know exactly what does this nutritional values mean only. Okay, talking more about the nutritional values, children, next we have what? So all of you know the nutrition, the eggs, the meat, the milk, the fish. Yes, all of them are extremely rich in what? Protein. Yes, eggs are rich in protein, meat have a lots of protein, fishes have a lots of protein, milk has a lot of calcium. Yes, so children, let's see what are the nutritional content of each and everything if we consume. Let's say if someone is consuming eggs, let's talk about the egg nutritional value. When we talk about the nutritional value which is coming from the poultry farming, egg is a byproduct of a poultry farming. Yes, this is we have discussed. Let's discuss the nutritional value of the egg. Yes, so nutritional value of the, can you see this? A particular, if someone is consuming egg, egg has this much of nutritional values. Fat is 12%, protein 13%, sugar very small amount, generally does not have any sugars. Okay, very minute amount, non-considerable. Minerals 1.001%, water 74%, vitamins B2 and D. So this is the nutritional value of egg which is being consumed by the poultry farming as a byproduct of the poultry farming, and this is going to vary. This is not fixed, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करती हैं. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कि तुमने पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग अपने जो पर्टिकुलर चिकन्स हैं उनको अच्छा न्यूट्रिशनल फूड दिया क्यों नहीं दी. देयर फीड शुड बी न्यूट्रिशियस. This is what we have discussed, you know, when we were discussing about the poultry farming and we were discussing about the poultry feed. Whatever they are eating, healthy feed. ये सारी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यूज चाहिए तो उनकी भी फीड अच्छी होनी चाहिए ना. व्हाट वी आर यूज पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग में, यस और नो, ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि बस नेचुरली ये आ जाएगा. नेचुरली नहीं आएगा अगर फीड अच्छी नहीं है. सो इफ वी वांट टू हैव सच काइंड ऑफ अ nutritional values from the egg, we need to have a particular good feed consumed poultry. Yes, so these are the particular healthy nutritional values of an egg. Clear? Yes or no? Are you understanding, children, what I'm saying? Yes? Are you getting what I'm saying? समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा? न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि भाई इतनी सारी चीज़ें हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं फ्रॉम द पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग, फ्रॉम द कैटल फार्मिंग एंड ऑफ कोर्स बी कीपिंग. जो उनके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए. ओके, कि हमारे कंजम्पशन के लिए हम पे क्या इम्पैक्ट कर रही है. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग राइट नाउ. So as we move forward, talking more about, this is the nutritional value of eggs. Let's discuss about the other nutritional values. Let's go back and discuss about eggs. Discuss कर लिए. Let's discuss about the meat. So the people who consume meat, the people who consume the non-vegetarians, let's see how much amount of nutrition does a meat have. Yes. So children, the meat or the particular which we are obtaining from the chickens, yes, the fat amount in a meat is of course 3.6%. The protein, I told you, the meat, the non-eggs, the meat, they have high amount of protein. So the protein's content is 21%. Yes, the sugar is a very less amount. Yes, the minerals are 1%, water is 74%, vitamin B2 and B12. So the people who are non-vegetarians and are totally concerned for obtaining their diet from, they have a diet which is based on the meat. Of course, they consume the meat, the chicken, of course, and of course the mutton. So this is the nutritional value. If someone is a non-vegetarian and their food is required, the food consists of a meat. So these are the nutritional values of a non-vegetarian diet. Yes, clear children? As you can see, also fat is very less, protein content is absolutely high. In the meat, the protein content is very high. Yes. So children, this is the nutritional value of the meat. So we have discussed the nutritional value of what? Eggs. We have discussed the nutritional value of the meat. Let's discuss the nutritional value of what? Milk. Let's discuss the third food which we consume, which is a byproduct, of course, of the cattle farming. Milk. Let's discuss about the nutritional farming of the milk. Okay, fish aa gaya. Next, go back. Okay, let's discuss about the nutritional value of the cow's milk. Shall we? Let's see a glass of milk or the milk we consume. What are the nutritional values of this? Yes, yes, the milk is having extremely high protein content, sugar content, mineral, water, vitamin B1, B2, B12, D and E and fats. So fats are very less. Yes, if you consume milk, तभी बोलते हैं कि go and consume, especially the students. Yes, the growing up stage needs a lots and lots of milk. You should consume lots and lots of milk because milk is a very high content of a calcium, vitamins and of course the minerals. Sugars are also very less. There is a high content of protein. There are a little bit of fats also, minerals also, and water is, of course, you know, it's very liquid in nature. The major content is always the water, which is approximately 81%. And we have several vitamins. Vitamin B1, vitamin B12, B12, B2, D and E. So this is the nutritional content of a milk. जो दूध, जो particular milk you are obtaining from the cattle farming, which you are obtaining, this is the nutritional value of the cow's milk. Clear children? Yes or no? Is it clear? समझ में आ रहे हैं सबके nutritional values? Yes, कि कितना nutrition है, eggs में कितना nutrition है, meat में कितना nutrition है, cow's milk में, and now we going to see कितना nutrition है किस में, fishes में. Yes, fish farming की थी कल. तो देखते हैं अब the people who consume fish as a part of their diet, what kind of a nutrition they are getting. Yes, let's go back and once again press on the fish. So children, as you see the nutritional value of fish, let's discuss about the nutritional value of fish. So this is the nutritional value of the fish. The fat, the protein, again the protein content would be high. Yes, the fat is 2.5%, the protein is 19%, the sugar is a very small amount, mineral is 1%, water is 77%, and the vitamins are A, D and niacin. Yes, vitamin A. The fishes are very much rich in vitamin A and they are very good for eyes and hairs. Yes, they are absolutely very much rich in niacin, the D, vitamin D and vitamin A also. This is the nutritional value of fish. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the nutritional value of people who consume fish as their part of their diet. Yes. So we have discussed the nutritional value of milk, we have discussed the nutritional value of meat, we have discussed the nutritional value of fish, we also have discussed the nutritional value of eggs. So yes, these were the few products which you are obtaining from the different farming, poultry farming, cattle farming and fish farming. Yes or no? These are the particular content. This is the nutritional value of particular food which we consume and their all impact is different on your body. Yes, clear? Anything which you want me to repeat again? Yes. Anything which you want me to repeat again? Any questions you wanted to ask? Let's go back. Yes. And what we have done, we have just finished exploring and we have just finished so much of discussion. Let's solve few questions. Come on, quickly. Choose the animal product which is have the highest percentage of protein. Yes, which particular product has the highest percentage of protein? Come on, quickly. Okay, हमने बात करी है कि कितना प्रोटीन कंटेंट हाई है किस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट में, एग्स में, मीट में, मिल्क में और फिश में. सबकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यूज डिस्कस कर ली हैं. इसमें दिस न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू है. किसी में फैट ज़्यादा है, किसी में मिनरल है, किसी में शुगर है, किसी में वाटर है. सारे कंटेंट्स हमने डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. अब इसमें बता दो कि सबसे ज़्यादा हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रोटीन किस में होगी. यस यस come on quickly, I want answers from everyone. Let's see the correct answer. Children, why are you not answering? Anjali, Arun, Namprin, Shivali, Husyant. So children, the highest content of protein would be in the meat. This is what we have discussed. Anjali, do not answer in the chat box. People, do not answer in the chat box. You can attempt the questions on your application, you know, whatever device you are using. Yes? So the highest content of protein is in the meat. Let's see next what we have. Solution, we have discussed it. But next question. Drag and drop the vitamin present in milk into the glass of milk. Yes. Just now we have discussed what kind of vitamins are present in the glass of milk. Come on, quickly tell me. What kind of proteins are present in the glass of milk? Yes. Okay, the correct answer is the vitamin B1, vitamin 12, vitamin D. These are the particular vitamins which are present in the milk. This is what we have discussed. Yes, this is what we have discussed. Vitamin B1, vitamin B12 and vitamin D. These are the content of the milk. This is the nutritional value of the milk. Yes. Let's see what we have. So children, can all animals eat the same food every day? हमने डिसाइड किया है कि जो न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू अगर किसी प्रोडक्ट की अच्छी चाहिए तो मतलब जिस पर्टिकुलर एनिमल से वो ऑब्टेन हो रहा है उसकी फीड भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. यस, इफ वी वांट गुड न्यूट्रिशनल एग्स तो हमें पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग में उनकी फीड अच्छी करनी पड़ेगी. इफ वांट अ गुड कंटेंट इन द मीट, हमें पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग में उनकी फीड अच्छी करनी पड़ेगी. कैटल फार्मिंग, इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ गुड न्यूट्रिशंस फूड, सो जब कैटल फार्मिंग करेंगे, ओके दैट कुड बी एन इशू. जस्ट okay, let's not attempt it only, we'll check it later. So जब हम कैटल फार्मिंग करेंगे तो हम अगर हमें अपने काउज मिल्क की गुड न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू चाहिए तो हम उसकी फीड को भी अच्छा करेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी डू. सो व्हाट कैन ऑल एनिमल्स ईट ऑल द फूड एवरी डे? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओके, एनिमल्स वी नीड टू बेसिकली गिव देम अ पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ फूड. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव टू गिव. ओके, our body has requirement for different nutrition. I know सबको देख के एकदम खुशी हो गई होगी पिज्ज़ा but pizza does not fulfill our nutritional requirement as us. We have also different requirement. We also have different requirements of nutrients for the growth and development. Yes, just like us, the animals also have a different requirement of the nutrients so that they can show enough growth and development. Let's discuss about that. As we discuss about, animals also require different types of nutrition. We are already consuming the products obtaining from the animals, but animals को भी तो अच्छा nutrition चाहिए. Yes, हमें उनके प्रोडक्ट से अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन मिल रहा है, पर अगर हमें उनसे अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए तो हमें उनको न्यूट्रिएंट्स, गुड न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट कि कौन सा पर्टिकुलर फूड न्यूट्रिएंट रिच है एनिमल्स के लिए. हम उनको कौन सा पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट रिच फूड फीड करें कि उनकी भी पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट जो है वो पूरी हो जाए और जो प्रोडक्ट उनसे ऑब्टेन कर रहे हैं वो भी न्यूट्रिएंट रिच हो. यस, लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट इट. So dairy animals require different type of nutrients for the growth. Dairy animals, you know, cow, goat, buffalo. Yes, we are obtaining the food from them. So हमें उनसे different, उनका requirement भी different है. Yes, they are herbivores. सबको पता है. They are herbivores typically and they only eat green parts. Yes, so basically different type of requirements for the growth and development. Let's discuss about food for maintenance, food for milk production. देखते हैं dairy animals का food for maintenance कौन सा है. Let's discuss about the food for maintenance of the dairy animals. So the maintenance food of the dairy animals should be rich in high fiber, should be rich in vitamins and should be rich in protein and other nutrients. जो भी maintenance food है, yes, to maintain a good conditions, to maintain them a healthy body, they need to be feed with a good high fiber food. Yes, उन्हें हम high fiber food फीड करेंगे जो ज़्यादा विटामिन्स भी हों, जिसमें ज़्यादा प्रोटीन्स भी हों, जिसमें ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी हों. तो ये है मेंटेनेंस के लिए. दिस इज़ फॉर द मेंटेनेंस फूड. दिस इज़ व्हाट फॉर द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द डेयरी एनिमल्स. यस, ओके. हमने अपनी सारे न्यूट्रिशनल अपने प्रोडक्ट्स जो हम ऑब्टेन कर रहे हैं सारी फार्मिंग से, वो तो हमने पढ़ लिए, पर हमें उनकी न्यूट्रिशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स का भी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा ना, जिनसे हम ये प्रोडक्ट्स ऑब्टेन कर रहे हैं. सो फॉर मेंटेनिंग a dairy animal, we need to have this amount of rich protein, rich diet, rich vitamins, rich in the roughage and the other nutrients. So for the maintenance to having a healthy body, हमें ये वाली diet provide करनी पड़ेगी. किनको? Dairy animals को. Yes, clear? Yes or no, children? Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? ओके, एज वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, दिस इज फॉर द मेंटेनेंस. अब देखते हैं डेयरी एनिमल्स को गुड मिल्क प्रोडक्शन के लिए अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिल्क प्रोड्यूस करवाना है तो हम कौन सी डाइट दें, कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट दें उनसे जिनसे मिल्क प्रोडक्शन जो है वो ज़्यादा हो जाए. सो माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स. यस, द माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स इंक्रीजेस द मिल्क आउटपुट. Yes, all the micronutrients which we have discussed about, macro and micro, if you remember, the micronutrients rich diet help in the milk output. So dairy animals को अगर हम micronutrients provide करेंगे तो वो good amount of milk produce करेंगी. Yes, so these are the dairy requirements of the cattle, of the dairy animals for the cattle farming. Yes, especially the dairy animals only. Clear? सो मेंटेनेंस की डाइट अलग है, बट अगर हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिल्क प्रोड्यूस करवाना है, यस, थ्रू डेयरी एनिमल्स, तो हम उनकी डाइट को रिच करना पड़ेगा माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स में और उनका मेंटेनेंस करना है कि वो हेल्दी रहें, उनकी बॉडी हेल्दी रहे, यस, फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली हो पूरी बॉडी की, तो हम उनको विटामिन्स, प्रोटीन्स, रफेज, हाई फाइबर कंटेंट और अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी थोड़े बहुत देते रहेंगे. यस, सो दिस इज अबाउट दी डेयरी एनिमल्स. क्लियर? फूड फॉर मेंटेनेंस इज डिफरेंट एंड फूड फॉर milk production is different. Let's go to quiz. Let's solve one quiz. What do you add in the daily diet of a dairy animals to increase milk production? Yes, just now we have discussed. क्या add करें हम dairy animals के nutrients में कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा milk produce करें? Yes, quickly answer. Yes. Children, you can join us on the Embibe app so that you can answer through the application. Yes, I know it is not possible on the YouTube, so please do join us on the Embibe. Register for the classes and you can attempt these questions. You can have an amazing experience whenever we do the practice sessions. Yes, the practice sessions are absolutely going to help you with answering, with solving too many questions which you can do through the Embibe app, which is not possible on the YouTube. Yes, the correct answer for this is what? Yes. The correct answer is micronutrients. And the micronutrients rich diet is important for the food production. Good. Next, what we have? Okay, we have nothing. We have discussed all the things. Okay. So clear, children? Is there any part which is not clear to you? Anything which you want me to repeat? Yes. Anything which you want me to repeat again, ma'am? Can you please repeat this again? Yes, we have discussed about the nutritional requirement. We have discussed about the nutritional values of egg, milk, meat, and of course the fish. All the fish farming, poultry farming, cattle farming, सब हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. अगर मिस कर दिया है session by any chance, so you can just go through them. The past Embibe classes will be always there on your dashboard. Yes. एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड अबाउट कि हमें अगर प्रोडक्ट्स में ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए तो हमें अपनी कैट फार्मिंग की जो भी पर्टिकुलर एनिमल्स हैं वे यूजिंग इन द कैटल फार्मिंग, पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग, उनकी फीड को भी न्यूट्रिशियस करना पड़ेगा. अगर प्रोडक्ट में न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए तो उनकी फीड भी अच्छी करनी पड़ेगी. तो हमने देखा कि मेंटेनेंस के लिए बेसिकली कैसी फीड चाहिए फॉर द कैटल, फॉर द डेयरी एनिमल्स एंड फॉर द मिल्क प्रोडक्शन उन्हें कैसी पर्टिकुलर फीड हम दे सकते हैं. So this is what we have discussed today. Is there any doubt? Yes. Glucose is a carbohydrate. Okay. Glucose is a carbohydrate. Clear, children? Yes. So children, this is about today's session. What we have studied? We have studied about the nutritional values. So nutritional values are measured in the content of food. How much content of different nutrients are present in a particular food. Not necessarily every particular food is going to have a good impact on your body. Yes, the milk has a different nutritional value, the egg has a different nutritional value, the meat has a different nutritional value, and the fish also have a different nutritional value. These are the different nutritional values of different products. Yes, so you can decide whatever to consume more protein. If you want to consume more protein, you can go for the egg and the fish and the meat which have high in protein. If you want to go good fat and of course the good mineral content, good water content, the vitamin content especially, you can go to the milk. So you can decide your diet according to the nutritional value. Yes. So children, a cow can eat about 20 kg of food in a single day. Yes, that's the capacity. 20 किलो रफेज कंज्यूम कर सकता है. Yes, in a single day a cow can consume 20 kgs of food. Imagine, which is a very high content. Yes or no? A cow can eat about 20 kgs of food in a single day. Yes. And as you know, children, this is what I keep on talking about. This is your Embibe app. What you have to do, you just have to log in through your phone number and your email ID. Just go. Select the school examination CBSE and this is your 9th standard. Go for the 9th CBSE and whatever board you belong to, you can basically choose. Select your language and land on this page. As you click on the home page button, go to the Embibe live classes. This is what the live classes I was talking about. What you can do, you can just register yourself. If you register yourself for the class, you can check out the pre-class activity and after the session gets over, you can check out the post-class activity. Yes. So these are the upcoming classes. These are the classes for the next 7 days. Yes, tomorrow we're going to discuss about the exotic breeds. What are the exotic breeds which we have been having to obtain great amount of product. So please do register for yourself for the upcoming classes. Next, we're going to also have the practice session. Yes, we are going to basically have lots of practice session also. So please do register yourself for the upcoming classes. All the upcoming classes have been scheduled. Animal husbandry, there is a practice session. Sabke practice sessions honge. We're going to have lots of revision session also. Please register yourself for the class. You can learn, you can practice, you can test, you can see how much you have achieved through this particular Embibe live classes. Yes, these are all the educators as you can see. Next we have practice. Then we can test. You can see how much you have achieved. Next we have Embibe Lens app, which is another amazing app from the Embibe. Just scan the text and see every. क्लास 10 के लिए भी है, क्लास 11th के लिए भी है, 12th के लिए भी है, नीट के लिए भी है, जेई के लिए भी है, सबके लिए. ओके, यू हैव टू चूज योर रेस्पेक्टिव क्लासेस. You can just scan the text and see everything in 3D. And last, you can join us on the Telegram channel so that you never miss an update regarding anything. We will meet again tomorrow at the same timing discussing about the exotic breeds. Until then, please take care, keep imbibing. Bye-bye.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.